When the yarn meets the hook, it becomes more than just a look. Every scarf, every bag, every warm embrace carries love from my heart to your space.
So the first thing I'm going to do is make a slip knot. Then make a chain of 24. So I'm going to make a chain of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have my chain of 24, and this is going to be covering from neck to neck. So 6.5 inches. I'm going to make extra chain of 2. 1, 2. I'm going to skip the last chain I made and make one double crochet into the third chain. So I'm going to skip 1 and 2 and into the third chain, going with one double crochet. One double crochet into every stitch. To make the double crochet, yarn over, go into the third stitch, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, go in, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. So go into every stitch with one double crochet, and in total you still have 24 stitches. So now I already have my double crochet into every stitch, including the last stitch, and I have a total of 24 stitches, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and I have a total of 24 stitches. So the next thing is to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, turn into the same stitch. Your chain 3 does not count as a stitch, so into the same stitch, going with 2 double crochets. So 2 double crochet into the same stitch. Into every other stitches, going with 1 double crochet each. So into the middle stitches, you have 1 double crochet each. One double crochet into every of the stitches. Into the last stitch, you also carry 2 double crochets. So the first stitch 2 double crochet, the last stitch 2 double crochet, but every other stitch is 1 double crochet each. Chain 2, turn into the same stitch, 2 double crochets. Into every other stitches, 1 double crochet each, onto the last stitch again. So you're going to continue increasing on your stitches and on your rows until 12 to 14 rows. And into the last stitch, 2 double crochets. Into the same stitch. So now this is going to continue increase. You're going to continue increasing on the first and the last stitch. So we'll meet up once I have my desired rows, or I'll let you know when I have my desired row. So I have 14 rows here, and I'm having 13 inches. So now I'm going to make an extension that's going to be long enough to have my bust to bust measurement. So I'm working on 20 inches as the bust to bust measurement. So right now I'm going to extend this to 20 inches. So which means I'm going to make 7 extra inches. So 3.5 inches on this side and 3.5 inches also on this side. To complete 20 inches, I'm going to make a chain of 13. So I'm going to chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So take measurements. So now this is 3.5 inches. I'm also going to repeat the same here. I'm making a chain of 13. So I already have my chain of 13. I'm just going to make extra chain of 1, then cut, press down. So after my chain of 13 here, I'm going to make extra chain of 2. 1, 2. Skip the last 2, which is 1, 2, and into the third, going with 1 double crochet each. So now I'm going to stop increasing. It's just going to be 1 double crochet into every stitch. I'm going to have 1 double crochet into other stitches, into every other stitches, 1 double crochet each. So there is no more increase, so it's just going to be 1 double crochet each onto the last stitch, and you're going to repeat this for a total of 15 inches. So 1 double crochet into every of the stitches. I'm going to have 1 double crochet each into my chain also. So right now this is what I'm having. So I'm just going to take measurements. So right now I already have my 20 inches, which can stretch up to 23 inches. So from this point, I'm going to continue having 1 double crochet into the first stitch and the last stitch, and also into the middle stitches. So no more increase, no more decrease, just 1 double crochet into every stitch until 15 inches. So 1 double crochet into every stitch until the last stitch. One double crochet into every of the stitches until 15 inches. So no more increase, just 1 double crochet. So right now I'm having 7.75 inches, but I'm going to continue until 15 inches. So we'll meet up. So now I have 15 inches here, and I decided to add an extra row to make it 15.5 inches. So here I have 15.5 inches. So the next thing to do now is to make one single crochet round. So I'm going to be working one single crochet into the edges. So chain one, into the same stitch I'm going to have one single crochet, one single crochet into the double crochet, one single crochet into the tiny loop, one single crochet into the double crochet, one single crochet into the tiny loop, one single crochet into the double crochet, one single crochet into the tiny loop, one single crochet into the double crochet, one single crochet into the tiny loop. Once you get to this point, you're going to have one double crochet into the stitch, chain one double crochet into the same stitch, then go in one double crochet into other stitches, that's into the previous chain. Once you get to this point, you're going to skip this, keep the double crochet, and work your next stitch into the tiny loop. So skip this and this, and work a slip stitch into the tiny loop. So you have this, then continue with one double crochet. So continue with one double crochet into every stitch, including the tiny loop. The first stitch, chain one, into the same stitch, another single crochet, then one single crochet into every other stitches. I've gotten to this point, so I'm just going to go one single crochet on a straight line, or we can just make a scallop. So yarn over, skip 1 2 3, into the third stitch you have 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5, skip 4 stitches, 1 2 3, into the fourth stitch. So you skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3, into the fourth stitch, going with a slip stitch. You have this, go into the third stitch again, 1 2 3, and going with 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 3 stitches and into the 4th stitch, going with a slip stitch. 1 2 3 into the 4th stitch, going with a slip stitch. Skip 2 stitches, 1 2 into the 3rd, going with another 5 double crochets. So I'm going to repeat this to the last end. 3 4 5. So skip 4 stitches, skip 3 stitches, 1 2 3 into the 4th, a slip stitch. This is going to make my last slip stitch into this. Chain 2, then cut. Go into the same stitch, pull up one strand. If you're using a one strand yarn, you just open it up, then tie 2 times. Cut again. So now this is done, the outer top is ready. So now I'm just going to fix in my strap on both edge. I'm going to go into the last stitch, go into the first stitch here, then go into the single crochet stitch, make a slip stitch with it, then go into the next stitch here and make a long chain. So you should have this. Make a long chain long enough to crisscross at the back. So I'm done making my strap on both edge, this and this. So this is interval of 1 2 3, interval of 3 rows, and the 4th row you put in your strap. 1 2 3 into the 4th row. You're fixing the strap. 1 2 3 into the 4th. You can go ahead and trim out your excess yarn. So our outer top is ready. So the total length for this top now is 16 inches, including the scallop. So we have 16 inches now. So you can decide to make yours longer than this or shorter than this. It all depends on how many inches you are looking to work on. So yeah, thank you for watching to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.